Adventures of Paul here again on YouTube. So he's already gone now, it's only a little bit there. Let's go look around the far window. So let's go at this gate. Probably won't see much. Let's have a look though. That's what it's like now, guys. Anyhow, let's go around the side. Won't see much at the first window. If you're into bricks, if you love your bricks, that's the first window. Second window. Use the second window, you can see much. Oh wow, bloody hell. That's totally gone now. Let's go to the window I like. So I bet this be gone tomorrow, I bet. Anything happening in that square? Nah. Is it the third, is it? Still got the slot machines. So here's the window where you can see. Yeah, this will be gone tomorrow. There's only a little bit down left now on the corner here, so you can see everything now. So I think this will be the last video update on the Gora now. It's literally gone, probably be gone probably tomorrow or today later. So I don't really need to come here anymore now. I don't think so. Let's maybe do a couple of videos on the gables of it, I think it is. So yeah, like I said, this will be the last video update on the Gora now. Like it'll be all gone now. Probably today or tomorrow. I don't really need to film anymore. Let's go to my favourite spot where I used to film, see what you see. Let's zoom back out for a minute. Probably won't see much from there, but don't know till you have a look. That's my new saying, you don't know till you have a look. So yeah, the video I uploaded with the bike ride did load up this time. Probably have to make short videos if I do another one. So yeah. Let's have a quick look at this window again. So let's go to my favourite spot. What's up just up the top here? Probably won't see much, but don't know till you have a look. You can't see nothing that way. Let's go up the top here. So yeah, well, so like I said, I'll be gone probably today or tomorrow. So like I said, it'll be the last time filming up here now. Don't really need to come back up here anymore now. So that's the last of the last bits of the Wolverton Agora. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Finches of Paul, share, comment, like, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now, bye for now.